Hello traders, hope you had a lovely weekend. Today is Monday the 23rd of October and we're going to look back at Friday's trades, and we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's start with Friday's trade that I was in. I was actually added to this position, CAD yen. And we were looking to short it. So why were we looking to short it? Well, we're at a very important weekly level. All right, and this seems to be holding this weekly level. If we drop down to the day chart, yeah, we also ended up with a daily downtrend. Okay, soon as this low's broken, we got lower lows and potentially lower highs here. We are in a downtrend. If I zoom in, guys, you can also see, we were below the moving average 20. As I explained, this is a weekly resistance level. And we had, these bearish candles coming down. All right. What I also like from Friday was this, guys. It bounced off this moving average 20. So this will still be a trade idea for today, guys. If we go to the H4 now, because this is basically the catalyst for the trade. And this was a tricky one because it broke H4, but then it became nice fib levels. And I'll explain what I mean, guys. So the catalyst for this trade was a break of this level. Yeah, you can see there's a level through here. And we were just ranging, and then eventually we got a break. Yeah, these candles here broke this low. All right, so now we're in a downtrend. And then price formed this last high, and it did actually break that level. Okay, so this is not what you want to see if you're selling this, because I was selling this from here, and I added another position in here. Okay, I haven't added another position yet, but this was the predicament I found myself in. And then if we do a fib level, guys, you just go from the highs back down to the lows. This fib level here is like the golden zone, yeah, between 0.5 and 0.618. So, if we didn't get a reaction here and price carried on, yeah, I would have been hedged or stopped. My stop was up here. Okay, so I'm still in this trade as we speak, and I still think it's a good sell opportunity. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you that, guys, because it did break H4, but then it broke into a very nice fib level, this golden zone. So it didn't make sense to, hedge the trade or even get out of the trade, because it still has potential to react here. You're better off putting your stop above all of that and seeing what happens to price, as long as your stop fits with your risk management. Yeah, so that's where we are with Canadian dollar yen. I'm not in profit, I'm still in this trade, and like I say, guys, entered here, and my stops up here. So the idea is still to take price back down to this level. And if you want all my entries where I entered here and here, I put all of my entries for the pairs that I take that day within the VIP Discord channel. I put all of my trades in there, guys. So please come check it out if you're interested in that. So that was Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. It's quite an interesting one, how this is panning out. And we will see. We will see more today. What else were we looking at? We was also looking at euro pound. Yeah, so this was a case of, yeah, so let's start with the day chart. All right, so we can clearly see that we had a break of these important highs in here. This is actually like a weekly level. And you'll also see on the weekly chart that the weekly candle has broken these highs. Okay, so for me, the weekly is still in an uptrend, or not still, has become an uptrend. Okay. But if you look at the daily, guys, I don't think we want to start buying on this candle now. Okay, we might have to wait for a retrace before we can start buying. But anyway, focusing on Friday's trade, yeah, we were looking to buy it because of this big green candle, bullish green candle that broke these highs. And as you can see, guys, on the H4, it was news driven. So there was some bad news coming out for the pound, and it just shot up. So, it just didn't retrace. And then by the time it did retrace, I'm snoring and maybe dribbling in bed. Yeah, so there was no buy here. But, if price starts coming back down into this level here, I still might be interested in buying this pair. That daily candle does put me off, but this is still a buy trade for me, euro pound. But we didn't get an opportunity on Friday. And then finally, guys, was also looking at oil. Where is the black gold? Here we are. So yeah, I was also looking at oil, guys. We go to the day chart. Yeah, you can clearly see price was in this, remember it was in a super uptrend, and then it's just come shooting down, but now it's back in an uptrend. Okay, and the idea was just to follow this uptrend back up to these highs. You can also see we had a very bullish candle. Again, guys, get as many reasons as you can to enter a trade, which broke this level through here. All right, actually broke resistance. And the idea was to get a retrace and take it back up to here. And funnily enough, the retrace happened again when I was snoring and dribbling in bed. What a lovely picture I'm painting. This is a nice level, this little bounce off this moving average 20. I'd still need to put my stop below here, but you can see, potentially I would have entered this trade if I was awake. So it might be an opportunity Monday. Let's see, we might get a crazy gap up or something, but this could be an opportunity for Monday to start buying this pair. It just happened too late in the day, the retrace. So there you go, guys. Those were the trades from Friday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed Friday's analysis and would like to receive my trade ideas every day, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, smash the notification button, guys, so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button. It really helps support the vid and the channel. Shukran, Dankashan, Gracias, Mercy, thank you. Fluent in several languages. Right, guys, so trade ideas for today. I'm going to show you that the trades today are deja vu from Friday, but I've also got a couple of other things that I want to show you as well. But let's start with the trade ideas, all right? And before I do, let me just mention a few cool things that the channel does. So first of all, guys, we have got a free Discord channel. It is free. Come join it. Why the hell not? We've got traders in there sharing ideas, knowledge. We've got indicators, psychology, useful links, books, you name it, we've got it. The kitchen sink as well. We've also got the VIP Discord channel. All right, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions about anything to do with trading, or maybe you need help. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. All right, we also have 2 other expert traders sharing their trade ideas. We give you exclusive content every single week. We give you access to a new strategy that we're testing, and you get access to a performance coach should you require it, guys. All right, so loads of value in the VIP Discord. Come check it out. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to trade and read the charts like I do, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program where I coach you one-on-one. Yeah, if you'd like the details, drop us an email and we'll send you the details. The email is in the video description. And next, guys, if you watch the live stream every day, if you watch my analysis vid and you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can. Yeah, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got supporter, gold and legend tiers, and each one has more and more perks, guys. All right, and you can, it starts from as little as under $2 a month. So come check that out as well. The details are in the video description. And finally, guys, don't forget, live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. See you for that later. Right, trades for today. So like I say, we're going to do the trade ideas first of all. So Canadian yen is still a trade idea, right? This is the weekly chart and we are at weekly resistance. Okay. If you look at the weekly candles, you know, they're getting more bearish than bullish. Yeah. And then if anything, a bit of indecision here. But if we go down to the day chart now, yeah, you can clearly see we're still in this downtrend. All right. So price came up, broke down. Yeah. So we got lower lows, potentially lower highs here. And remember, this is a weekly resistance level. We've also starting to get, bearish candles, bearish. I mean, even this candle, I know it's bullish. Well, I know it's green, should I say, but this wick is bearish. That is a rejection of the moving average 20, which we like to see. So the idea is still to come back down to here. Not much has changed with this trade, guys. If we drop down to the H4 now, yeah, H4. Okay, so there's a couple of levels now. So as price moves each day, you're going to get new levels generated. I know that may seem obvious, guys, but you are. So we've got a couple of levels now on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Remember, first of all, it was all about this level. Yeah, but that level's broke and been and gone. Now it's about these two levels. Okay, this one and this one. So what could happen, guys? I mean, we are still in a H4 uptrend. So price could do this. It could come all the way back up to these last highs. Yeah, we get a bearish reaction and we can start selling Canadian dollar, Japanese yen from here. I'll take some profit down here, yeah, and leave 20% to run. Or, yeah, you can probably see this better on the H1, actually, guys, the next level. On the H1, you can clearly see structure is breaking down. Okay, so it's building up, but now it's breaking down. But this level is an important level. You've got price movement here. So price could retrace to here. Moving average 20 comes round. This might be a nice level. We get a bearish reaction, we can start selling this as well. Again, take some profit. That's what I would do, and let some profit run. All right, so Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, we're looking to sell that. And we're still looking to buy oil, guys. If we look at oil, if we go to the day chart, yeah, you can clearly see. Let's start with the weekly. The idea is just to follow this weekly trend and take it back up to these highs. All right. Just following simple structure, guys, not rocket science. And it's the same for the day chart. Okay. We're in an uptrend. Yeah. So price was in this uptrend here, broke down. We're in a downtrend. And then bang, as soon as we break this high, we're back into an uptrend. Okay, we had this bullish candle that broke through this piece of resistance and this last high. And I still think we can take price back up to here. Friday's was a bearish candle, but yeah, I like this wick on the bottom of it. And I still think there's enough buyers in here to take this higher. If we drop down to the H4, we are at, like I said, guys, if I was awake, I probably wouldn't enter it. It's Friday evening, but it's at a really nice level right now. Yeah, you could start buying this now. We've had a little bounce off the moving average 20, put your stop below here and take price higher. Okay, that makes perfect sense to me. Yeah, we're clearly in a H4 uptrend. So the entry is now, guys. Yeah. So if we get a reaction here, yeah, we can start buying oil. Yeah, I want to buy it now. I mean, if we look at the H1 chart, you'll probably see, yeah, I mean, we're getting quite a bullish reaction here. Go back to the H4. Yeah, so I would enter now, to be quite frank. So let's see how Monday opens and see where we are. We could start entering from here. And we're only wrong if we break this level. Yeah, because price could come back down. Yeah, and then we look for another bullish reaction here, and then we can start buying from here as well. All right, so this will be interesting to see where this opens on Monday, but we're looking to buy oil back up to those daily highs, weekly highs. So that's oil, guys. So they're my two trade ideas. But there's another couple of things I'm looking at. So firstly is silver. All right, so silver, where are you? Ha ha! I feel like doing a pirate impression when silver is mentioned. I'm not sure why. I've lost my mind. So if you look at the weekly chart with silver, yeah, I know, look, if we look at a real bigger picture, this is at a very nice resistance level. Yeah, we'll zoom in now so you can see it. But is basically at the last weekly high and this trend line. Yeah, that is a nice resistance level. Okay. I'm not saying let's short this back down to here, because I think that's unlikely. Yeah, because of that. Look how bullish that is. But I think there is some opportunity to take price just back down to this grey zone. Hence, this blue line is my target. All right. And if we drop down to the daily now, yeah, I should really change this grey zone, guys. Spring clean. Yeah, always spring clean. Okay. That's the level we're interested in. Okay. So yeah, what do we want to see? I just want to see a breakdown in structure. So H4, you know, if we wait for a H4 structure, we need to break this level. Yeah, which doesn't make sense because that's our target. So we could be a little bit more aggressive with this and wait for a H1 breakdown. And as you can see, I've put this grey zone in because it was once resistance and now it's become support. So maybe, you know, we get something like this and then we get a break of this level. I think we've got some pips to be had back down to this level. All right, so this is what I'm looking at with silver. And also, guys, the guys in my VIP Discord channel will know we're looking at this weekly plus H4 strategy. And still, you know, we've got all the Swiss franc pairs. Aussie dollar Swiss franc is at a weekly level. Yeah, we're just waiting for a H4 break. CAD Swiss franc, weekly level. New Zealand Swiss franc, you know, Euro Swiss franc, all at weekly levels, guys. All right. Also New Zealand CAD. So these are all at weekly lows, guys. All right. So yeah, we're interested in these. Yeah, even if you look at Euro Swiss franc as well. Yeah, you can see we're getting a bit of a bullish reaction there. So we'll keep our eyes peeled for a H4 structure break with those to my VIP massive. Right, guys. Yeah, and don't forget, guys, if you enjoy my analysis every morning, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, smash the like button, guys. Yeah, it really helps support the channel. Come join us. Also, guys, don't forget the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord channel. We've got the VIP Discord channel. We've got the mentorship program. We've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership. And we've got the live streams every day. All the information for all those things are in the video description. Right, let's check out the news now. So news for Monday, the 23rd of October. Not much going on. Yeah, I will check this on Monday, guys, see if any news pops up and let you know on the VIP Discord. But, you know, as we currently look, Monday, the 23rd of October, New Zealand are on holiday. Enjoy your holiday, Kiwi people. But yeah, no news, guys. So you are free as a bird to trade on Monday. All right. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share. Tell your friends. Come join us. Don't forget to join us for the live stream. I'll see you later on for that.